Hi, I'm Snow, and this is
Gas and go with Snow. Time to steal the show.
Hi, Snow. It's nice to meet you. I'm Shelly.
Shelly. I'm from Oklahoma. We don't shake hands with women. Nice to meet you,
Oh,
Shelly.
nice to meet you
All
too.
right. Oh, now see, that is a real hug. Yeah. So, you got to tell me about this. Is this yours?
This is my baby. This is the love of my life. Yeah.
Well, you know what?
My husband. But yeah, this is the love of my life.
Okay, we're gonna beep that out. So, tell me a little bit about your car.
So she's a 1972 Stingray full restoration. Whoop, there's my dad.
Okay.
We come in as a team.
Well, hey, I like his too.
Right. full body restoration. We've done. You can lift the hood.
Okay, yeah. Oh, well, now I saw the Stinger hood.
Oh, you just put it up. Yep.
Okay.
So it's got a 454 in it. It's kind of a bit of a heavy cam, but I like that. And yeah, so when I bought it, it had a 396 in it, which wasn't correct for the car.
Right. It would have been a 427 or a 454, right?
454. So we put in the 454 and added a pearl paint job, which you can't see today because it's not so great out. But
well, I have a 62 Impala, and it almost the exact same color, and I have a strawberry pearl over it, but you can't see it unless the sun's out.
Right. See, this is a purple, so it's a blue purple pearl on it. And it's one of those color shift pearls. So when we put it on, this stripe on the hood was actually
I can see it right here.
Side.
No. I can see the pearl.
See the pearl here? Yeah. So on the other side of the hood, you'll see, about this way.
Yep.
You'll see this black. This was a black stripe when I bought the car. When we put the pearl over it, it turned it this color.
Nice.
So on the white, it did
really?
On the
This
black,
was black, and the pearl made it that bluish.
Yeah, it's a color shift pearl.
Nice.
Black, it reacted different than it did on the white.
Well, as soon as you pulled in, I noticed the Stingray, and then when I saw the hood, I was like, "Ooh, that's a big block."
Yes, it is. And she's pretty.
Yes, she is. So, all right, tell me a little bit about the background of the car. Right, I know what the car is,
right.
But how did you get it? Why did you want it? Tell me the unique.
This is my dream car. From the time I was a little kid, I wanted a C3 Stingray, and I wanted the chrome bumper car. So, a couple years ago, we actually were living in the South. We were living in South Carolina, and I told my husband, I said, we should sell that golf cart we have, because everybody in the South has a golf cart. And I said, we should sell that golf cart, and we should buy me an old Corvette. And he agreed.
Clearly, you're the brains of the operation, right?
Right. He agreed, and here we are. And so we flew down to St. Augustine.
Okay.
And bought it and drove it home.
Like St. Augustine, Florida.
St. Augustine, Florida, from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and picked it up and drove it home.
Okay. Well, I mean, first of all, beautiful car. And now I'm looking at a little bit of, I'm sure these are your accents here. I see the Stingray, the bedazzled air cleaner.
That is, I had to make it mine, right? A little bit mine. And yeah, so it's just under 10,000 stones each individually applied.
Now, did you come up with that pattern?
I
and
did.
Did you actually make this?
I did. Yes, I did it. I did it at my kitchen counter, drinking a glass of wine a couple of evenings, and yeah, got that done.
Well, this is a beautiful ride. I'm loving it.
Thank you.
Hey, you know what? Thanks for taking the time to talk to me.
Thank you so
and
much.
You know what?
For your service.
Well, thank you, ma'am. I appreciate that. All right. Hey, we'll see you guys next time on Gas and Go with Snow.
The king of the streets got the swagger, oh my. First stop, he needs a dude with a low rider machine. Chevrolet paint, chrome wheels like gleam. Snow pulls out his camera, ready to roll. Gas and go with Snow, time to steal the show.